Milo the puppy loved mud puddles. The messier, the better. One morning, after a storm, the farm was covered in mud. Milo wagged his tail. "The biggest puddle ever," he barked. He splashed, rolled, and wagged, covering himself from tail to nose. But then, he saw the farmer's shiny red boots stuck in the mud. Milo knew he had to help. He pulled with all his strength. Pop! The boot came loose, sending Milo flying into another puddle. The chickens clucked. The pigs snorted. Milo just laughed. "This is the messiest fun ever." Milo howled happily. Then he saw the baby lamb stuck in the deep mud. Milo ran over and gently nudged the lamb free. The lamb bleated. "Thank you, Milo," it said with a wiggle. Milo was covered in even more mud, but he didn't care. He kept helping, pushing, pulling, and shaking the mud off everyone. Soon, the whole farm was cleaner, and Milo had done it. The farmer patted his head. "Good boy, Milo." The other animals cheered. Milo had saved the day. He wagged his tail, proud of his muddy masterpiece. That night, after a long bath, Milo curled up in the barn. His paws were clean, but his heart was full of adventure. He had learned that mud was fun, but helping friends was better. The stars twinkled, and Milo dreamed of his next adventure. The farm wasn't clean for long, but that was just fine with Milo. Because where there was mud, there was always another adventure waiting.